No. No.
Yeah, the weather's looking really bad this week.
Bad? This is gonna completely ruin all of the wedding plan I've been working on for months. I don't know what to do. What am I gonna do?
It's all right. We're just, we could just do it inside.
It's not the same. It's not what I want. It's not gonna be, I don't know what to do with this.
I know, but your wedding isn't about the party or the pictures. It's about this beautiful, loving union between you and
that. I want an epic outdoor party that people are gonna be talking about for the rest of their natural lives, and it has to be big enough to accommodate everyone who's already RSVP'd.
You know what? I'm just gonna contact Mother Nature. I've got her on speed dial. I'm sure she's gonna have a bunch of solutions for us.
You're not helping.
I don't know what you want me to do. I don't know why you're taking this out on me.
Because you're here, because you're my maid of honor. So, solutions only, okay? We need solutions.
It would have been great if you built that gazebo you wanted last year.
Shut up. Oh my God. I'll just build that gazebo that I wanted to build last year. Yeah, I'll set it up in the backyard and I'll have all these fairy lights and it'll be so enchanting. I'll have an enchanted fairy tale wedding and everybody will be so dazzled and it'll be amazing.
Okay, great.
This could save my wedding.
One problem. How exactly did you plan on building said gazebo in less than 72 hours?
Good question. GoliathTech can install an engineered helical pile foundation in as little as 1 day.
But it's gonna be raining for the next 3 days straight.
You're confusing us with concrete. We can install a ready-to-build-on foundation in any weather, including the rain.
Thank you, GoliathTech.
Congratulations, by the way.
Thank you. You're happy now?
I think I lost my cool there, but I think it's fine.
Yeah.
I'm getting
Thanks. Thank you.
Oh.